In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your Figma designs into Android Studio. Perfecting this integration can streamline your workflow, making the transition from design to development smooth and efficient. We begin by opening your finalized Figma project. It's important to ensure that your design is completely polished before moving forward with the export process. You want to make sure every element is in place just the way you envision it in the final product. Next, you'll need to install a plugin called Figma to Code, or you might choose another similar plugin that supports exporting assets specifically tailored for Android. To get started, simply click on the Plugins menu in Figma and search for Figma to Code. Once you find it, go ahead and run the plugin. This tool is crucial in bridging the gap between your design platform and Android Studio. With the plugin up and running, you'll use it to export your design assets. You have the flexibility to export these as XML files, which are easily readable by Android Studio, or as downloadable images compatible with the platform. These formats are essential as they allow for a seamless import of your design, maintaining the fidelity and nuances of your original work. The next step involves opening Android Studio. Once you're in, navigate to your project and find the res folder. This is where you'll be organizing your exported assets. For image assets, it's important to place them inside the drawable folder. This careful placement ensures that your images are readily accessible for use within the app. As for XML layouts, these will be your foundation for aligning the design accurately, so you'll need to update your layout files to match precisely what you created in Figma. A little tip here. In Android Studio, you can utilize Constraint Layout, a powerful tool for aligning and positioning your components just right. This helps maintain the exact layout that you intended, and seeing your design come to life so accurately in the app is immensely rewarding. Once your assets are in place and your layouts have been updated to match your Figma design, you can preview everything directly within Android Studio's design editor. This space allows you to make any final tweaks or alignments, ensuring your app's UI is pixel perfect. And that's it. You've successfully integrated your Figma designs into Android Studio. This process not only saves time, but ensures that your design vision is fully realized in the final application. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more design to code tips. Your support means a lot and keeps these helpful tutorials coming. Thanks for watching and happy coding.